Hey everybody, Harold here. I'm going to do a real quick video today on shuffle in Polars DataFrames, how you would shuffle a list. Got a small data frame, one column, tool, hammer, saw, wrench. I want to shuffle the order. So I would say df.select pl.call tool dot shuffle. And you can put a seed in here so you get the same results every time for reproducibility. If you don't, you'll get a different result every time. I seeded this one. So let's print result. Hammer saw, hammer wrench saw, hammer wrench saw, hammer wrench saw. If I take the seed argument out, now it's hammer saw hammer wrench, wrench hammer saw, wrench saw hammer. So if you want to keep getting shuffled results, you just take the seed out. Let me show you another one you could do with cards. So df equals pl.dataframe cards. So we're dealing hands for players 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the hand equals df with columns pl.call cards, shuffle, and we'll give it an alias of hand, and then we'll print hand. So first deal, player 1 gets a jack, player 2 gets a king, player 3 gets an ace, player 4 gets a queen. Second deal, player 1 gets a king, 2 ace, 3 queen, 4 jack, and so on, and keep reshuffling the cards for every deal. So that's just a quick video on shuffle in Polars DataFrames. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, everybody.